Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Photos language in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So first I open Google Photos, then click on the setting. Then you can see all the setting are English. So if I click on manage my account, then here are charts language. Then click on language again. If you change this language, if you prefer a language like Hindi, then again click on save, then refresh your page, but language are not changed. So what you need to do? So first, going your mobile setting, if you use any Android phone, the same method. Now here are find out general management or charge bar. Here are type language. So I found language. Click here, then you need to add a language like here are type Hindi. If you want to change France, Portuguese, Brazilian, Bangla, Chen, any language, just select, then set as default. Just go back, then again go back. Then now if you go your Google Photos, then refresh your mm, Google Photos app. Wow, you can see it's already changes. So in this video I already show you how to change your language on Google Photos. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and on subscribe and turn on notification bell. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.